Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about words beginning with the sound of the letter S. In this lesson, you will be able to recognize pictures begin with the sound of the letter S, and at the same time, you will be able to read words begin with the sound of the letter S. Are you ready? S is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter S. How to write the uppercase letter S? Use one stroke to write the uppercase letter S. Start below the blue headline. Curve back left. Curve forward, ending above the red baseline. And this is a lowercase letter S. How to write the lowercase letter S? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter S. Start at the red midline. Curve back left. Curve forward, ending above the blue baseline. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter S. S is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter S sounds as
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Let's read the consonant-vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. Sa, sat. Se, seven. Si, six. Sock. Sun. Let's practice. Sa, se, si, so, se, sa, si, so, si, se, so, si, se, so. Sad. Sat. Socks. Sop. Sack. Sand. Salt. Seven. Sell. Set. Seat. Six. Sip. Sob. Sun. Sock. Some. Sun. Sad. Sat. Socks. Sock. Sand. Salt. Seven. Sell. Set. Now it's your turn. Sit. Six. Sip. Sob. Sun. Sock. Some. Sun. Sod. And now it's your turn again. More words begin with the S sound. Snake, snail, shark, shoes, slippers, strawberry, spoon, sponge, shrimp, sheep, shovel, shoulder, star, swan, seal, sea, saw, scissors, spider, seahorse, scorpion, shorts, shirt, stump, sugar, shampoo, shadow, shelf, snowman, sink, school, sparrow, salad, starfish, sword, seed. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant-vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is sandwich. The beginning sound of the picture is C. 6. The beginning consonant vowel pair sound is sa, sand. The beginning sound of the picture is C, sip. The beginning consonant vowel pair of the name of the picture is sa, sun. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is se, 7. The beginning sound of the picture is C, 6. The beginning sound of the picture is sa, sad. The beginning sound of the picture is saw, sock. The beginning sound of the picture is saw, salt. The beginning sound of the picture is C, sit. Check the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter S. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter S. Sheep, snake, sleepers, shark, sad, sack, snail, shoes. Practice writing the letter S on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.